Okay, this is a simple experiment in making a brainless robot, like a beam robot. I'm using a 74-163 binary counter, a infrared diode, and a transistor for amplification of the signal received by the diode, and two motors, two pager motors. So let's see if it works. So it seems. One of the motors activated now. I can change that by using the remote control. Now they both are operating simultaneously or different paces depending on what signal they're receiving from the remote control. So yeah, it's working the way it's supposed to. And I'm going to add a few sensors to it when I'm soldering this together to become a small beam robotic.